Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, western Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, central Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin until 3:30 p.m. At 3:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near East Troy, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes Union Grove, East Troy, North, Eagle Lake, Otter Lake, Browns Lake, Borders Lake, Salem, Burlington, Waterford, Bristol, Honey Creek, Kansasville, Franksville, and New Munster. Take cover now. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.